The outer blade flange is one of two flanges that secure the diamond blade. The blade flanges can wear over time, which will cause the blade to wobble side to side. Replacing the outer blade flange is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by loosening the wing nut on the water deflector, as well as the knob on the upper guard, so I can access the blade nut. Now I can remove the blade nut. And with the blade nut removed, I can remove the outer flange. Now I can install the new outer flange. I'll slide it over the shaft and secure it with the nut. I'll resecure the guard and realign the water deflector. And that's how easy it is to install a new outer flange on your tile saw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.